I wanted to introduce you guys to not the Volvo. Volvo's a project that's pretty much finished. Everything runs and drives as it should. All the maintenance has been done. Beautiful car, perfect for day-to-day use. But I wanted to introduce you to this beautiful scenery in southeast Poland. And without a doubt, the new site of DKTNY HQ. Don't mind the cows, I didn't buy them. They're just here utilizing the natural grass and grazing upon it so that way we don't have too much. But this is the site where we're going to build the next DKTNY garage, the new HQ. A little over 1¼ acres, about 5,300 square meters. This is going to be an ongoing project the next couple of years. In the meantime, we're not going to stop playing around with cars, but you're going to see more and more content about the build here in Europe, what it takes, what needs to be done, how things progress, how things look. Hopefully this is going to be a nice DIY spot for us where we could make more videos, have a lot of fun, break stuff, fix stuff. Hello. And these lovely ladies are checking me out as if I don't belong here. I am intruding upon their peace. But take a second to follow, take a second to like. I really appreciate it. This is going to help the algorithm. It's going to help us get a little bit more followers and maybe convert some of this content into money, which we're definitely going to need to build this project. My goal is to have a very nice garage here where we could come here for the weekends and, you know, after work, do some fun stuff and relax, because cars are relaxing, right? Nah, not really, but they're fun. So I encourage you to join, follow, and stay along with us to enjoy this wonderful scenery throughout the year.